Meet the Blip Blocks, the fully functional synth made for all ages. The Blip Blocks is a professional synthesizer under a simplified surface, making it ideal for current and future music makers alike. Designed to encourage curiosity, the Blip Blocks' colorful buttons, knobs, and LED light show will entertain kids visually while they produce music. From adjusting tempos to changing filters, the Blip Blocks lets kids explore synthesizers on their own terms, with no learning curve. And since the Blip Blocks comes with hundreds of built-in melodies, your child can start synthesizing right out of the box, making playtime with the Blip Blocks an inviting experience free from rule.
I really like playing and making my own songs. My favorite part was the red lever. The Blip Blocks is so fun. I really like playing with it. This is my new favorite toy.